These 5 products that I'm about to share with you are the only products you need to make your protective style last 4 weeks. Maybe a little more. Let's get into it. The first product that I highly recommend that you need if you're someone that likes to wear protective styles often, especially now that it's protective style season and our hair is tucked away, but you want to keep your scalp clean, then you need the Girl in Hair Under Hair Care Moisturizing Water to Foam Shampoo. I love this product because, one, it feels amazing on your scalp. If you're somebody that likes that invigorating, cooling, refreshing feel, especially after your scalp has been itchy, irritated, and just bothered and needed to be washed, and this will feel amazing as soon as you work it into your scalp. I like it also because it has a really gentle lather and it's able to rinse out of my braids really easily. Like, I don't have to stand underneath my shower head for like a half hour for this product to rinse out. It rinses out so easily, and my scalp is just the best part about this product because it feels amazing. It's clean. There's no buildup. There's no dandruff left. It's just bomb. The next product I recommend that you incorporate into your protective style hair care routine is a leave-in spray. This one is from Clean & Naturals. It's the Intense Hydrating Leave-In Spray with argan oil. I love the spray bottle on this. It just disperses through my hair really nicely. I like to apply this to the length of my hair, not the whole entire, not the whole entire braiding hair, just up until the point where my hair stops, just to keep my hair hydrated underneath these braids, because this hair can be a little rough against our hair, so you want to make sure that your hair is hydrated while it's tucked away. I like this one specifically because it has water, aloe vera in it, silk amino acids, glycerin, hydrolyzed wheat protein, and hydrolyzed quinoa protein, argan oil, bunch of great ingredients. So I shake it up, I spray it on my hair, and once it's in my hair real good, I like to squeeze it just to make sure, the hair on the inside is getting that moisture as well, and I keep it pushing. So if your hair is starting to look a little frizzy, that's probably a sign that you could use a little mousse, something to, tame the frizziness. I probably need to use some right now because I'm starting to notice my hair is starting to poke out a little bit. I'm using the Aussie Headstrong Volume Mousse. It's supposed to be their maximum hold. I just put it into my hand, massage it into my hair, and then I put my scalp on my scalp. And then I put my scarf on top just so everything sets and my flyaways are, laid down and tamed. And I do this maybe once a week. I don't go overboard with it because I don't really care about that much frizz. But if I feel like, my hair is starting to poke out a little bit, then I reach for this. So to keep my scalp hydrated and moisturized, scalp serums are my new best friend. I don't know what took me so long to try a scalp serum, but I'm so happy that I did. The first one that I've ever tried and just finished like yesterday was the Madam C.J. Walker Healthy Scalp Serum. It has no parabens, no silicones, no drying alcohol, no mineral oil, just good stuff. If my scalp feels dry and is starting to look dry, especially in the colder months, our scalp is literally outdoors, out exposed to the elements, so my scalp is going to get a lot drier than it normally would if my hair wasn't in a protective style. So in order to keep my scalp hydrated, scalp serums, I feel like this is the perfect time to use a scalp serum as well, because you can use them with whatever state your hair is in, but if you aren't concerned about your hair reverting or something like that, I feel like the perfect time to reach for a scalp serum is especially when your hair is in a protective style. It's under $10. I got it from Walmart, and it just makes my scalp feel juicy and plump again, hydrated again, and that's exactly what I needed. So yes, this one's really good. It's affordable if you haven't tried it yet. For my oil girls, I know y'all still like to oil your scalp sometimes, and sometimes I do as well. I just don't oil my scalp if my scalp is already dry. But if my scalp is, you know, looking balanced and you just want to maintain and hold that moisture on your scalp for a little while, then I would reach for an oil. This one is from Ajwa Beauty. I love this one because it's multi-purpose, and sometimes I use it on my cuticles as well because, yeah, gotta maintain the moisture there as well. This one is their Boundment Protect and Shine Oil Blend. I like this because it has wintergreen, spearmint, and peppermint oil in it, so it gives like that refreshing, invigorating feel to your scalp, a little bit of that cooling effect. And it also has olive oil, sweet almond oil, tea tree, rosemary leaf, menthol, lemongrass, just a bunch of, and it's just a really nice invigorating blend. Like I said, you could use it a bunch of ways. I like to use it on my cuticles a little bit, but especially every once in a while on my scalp, just to, you know, like I said, hold that moisture in my hair. That's really it. Those are the 5 products that I use on my hair to maintain my protective style. Like I said, even though your hair is tucked away, you want to make sure that you don't neglect your hair and your scalp, because what's the point of a protective style if your hair isn't going to be healthy and protected and looking nice when you take it out, you know? So I figured I'd share these products with you, and hopefully you find something in here that you've been looking for and that you needed. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!